Hello, lovelies. Good evening. How are you? Hope you're good. Come with me. Let's harvest our fresh coriander. I'm preparing lunch, so I decided to go and have some fresh coriander direct from my garden. Yeah, I love it when it's fresh. It really have a nice aroma, nice smell. Then this is me. I'm picking a little bit. It is mine. The Waganda sekeweri de kakilambe girako. Yeah. I'm just picking what's enough for me. I'm not even caring. Maybe it is expensive. Blah blah. And it's winter. Hey guys, winter. It's winter. Abanene mirembe ngalo abanafu munsabe mbaweko. Hey. Really, I love to see like a very green environment. Even if I'm in a very, very small place, at least I want to plant something. Everything I say, I'm like, I want to plant this. You see? One thing about this coriander is like when you plant it, you just have to pick the leaves up. Then the other part will grow, the new leaves again. You see? Yeah. But the one we buy from the shop, they just remove it all. I think they don't know business. Wait, let's go home. Let's go home. There I was done with cutting. I was preparing shrimp. You guys, do you enjoy shrimp just like me? A girl who grown up in a landlocked country. Now I'm in Dubai enjoying shrimp. This is seafood, but really it's nice. And the way I prepare it, it is my family's favorite so far. Every Friday, I have to prepare this every Friday. In Muslim countries, Friday, Jum'ah, it's like a Sabbath for Seventh-day Adventist. For Muslim, it is a Friday. So I have to cook shrimp every Friday. Before I was making laham every day. Not every Friday, but for now, it is shrimp. You see? You people. That shrimp is really, really nice. Even me, I really, really love it. There I was serving, trying to serve. I make it with white rice. So I just put up, I don't put water or soup. Yeah, I only put coconut milk, just half, a little bit. And come, let's enjoy, yeah? Hey, I'm sure if you happen to taste this, you will give me hadiah. Say, Aisha, thank you. Thank you, Aisha. The chef. The chef. I'm the Chef Aisha. Chef Sweet 18. If you want the full recipe for this shrimp, inbox me, hit my inbox. I'll give you the full video. Love you so much. Please, bye. Enjoy your weekend. Hey, enjoy. Bye. Bagala nnyo. Thank you for watching.